Good morning. I wanted to do a little video on milk glass because I've learned within the past couple of days you have the same patterns but different people make them. This right here is part of a canister set. I thought it was a candy jar, but after doing some heavy-duty research, I thought it was a Westmoreland piece because behind us is two Westmoreland pieces. And this particular piece is made Indiana Glass, and it's Harvest Grape is the name of these two pieces. Harvest Grape is the print. And how I found out there's difference is I have a book that I reference on glass when I think it's a certain brand or a certain maker. And the Westmoreland Glass, the popular years from 1940 to 1985, identification and value guide. So I couldn't figure out why these pieces were not in the book. Well, due to the fact that I went researching, and now I've got to go back, I'm going to go back to the Indiana Glass book that I have, and I'm going to verify that this is Indiana Glass, and it is Harvest Grape. But I have these two pieces that are absolutely beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. But they're very easily mistaken to be Westmoreland, and they're not. So, with that being said, because I really thought it was a candy dish, but it's part of a set to a canister set, so which is really nice. And then the flower base, this one here is the 9.5 inches tall, and it's in absolutely fabulous condition. So these two pieces are Indiana Glass, and these two pieces over here are Westmoreland. Now, this particular one I've yet to find except online. It's not in the book, but it does have the sticker, which is fine, and it's part of a bridal collection, supposedly. So this would have been, it's the beaded grape. So, and I looked on West Point, or Word Point, and some people, everybody's calling it different stuff. So, this has a sticker on it that says Westmoreland, so I'm going with it. I'm going to look and see if I can find out what year it was made. Now this one is called a pickle vase. This is a pickle vase, and it's 12 inches tall, and they're very hard to find. And there's your sticker. And on the bottom of this as well, I hope you can see it, it is actually have, right there, it has the marking. So, with that being said, right in here, the glass is actually marked. And that's the way it's supposed to be. So, with that being said, we have these two pieces for sale. What the heck is that? What is that? Okay. This one right here, we have a starting price of $52.50. That's where we're going to start. And I think that's a good price to start. All of our glass is negotiable. Oh my God, Blue, hang on a minute. This right here, it's $20. We have it marked for $20. It has the marking right here, but it doesn't have the other part. It doesn't have the other stamp. Okay, so I'm going to find out what year this was made, but it's the beaded grape, pedestal painted rose. So I know it was made between 1940 and 1985 because they went out of business. Westmoreland went out of business in 1985. That's why you have to be so careful, because the prints are just about the same. These two go together, and these two go together, Westmoreland, and that's all we're going to focus in on right now. But our price again for the 12-inch milk glass pickle jar, our starting price is $52.50, and it is Westmoreland, and it is in the book. It's pickle jar vase. It's on page 72, and it's a 12-inch. And this one right here is not in the book, but similar items. The rose pattern, the beaded edges. I just can't seem to find one in the book that has the painted like this. But I do find some of those. So, and again, this one's $20. But this starting price on this one is negotiable. But this one's $20. It's a beautiful piece. No cracks, no chips, no flea bites where you can hit your finger and, get a cut or anything like that. These are in perfect condition. Absolutely perfect. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please share. And I'm going to do a couple pieces at a time. Like I said, I'm going to verify the Indiana Glass and Grape Harvest, because I was just about to mistakenly put those as Westmoreland, and they're not. So everybody have a great day, and thank you.